Here we are ready to log into WordPress. You're going to put your username and your password and click login. So when you log in, you'll be at the WordPress dashboard and your menu's on the left in the black, and when you highlight the links, they'll all turn blue. You'll want to scroll down to where you see WooCommerce and then products. And what we're going to do today is add a new product. So click on this link and it will open up a new page, and it says add new product at the top. So we're going to work from our spreadsheet. That will be our master inventory, and it will have all the information you need to fill out this screen. So the first thing, of course, is the product name. So we're going to be working with a product that is aluminum jewelry, and I'm going to make up something right now for a placeholder, and I'm going to call this aluminum necklace. There we go. I'm not a great typer, as you can clearly see. So this will be our product title, and this particular screen right here, where it's a big open space, will contain our long description, and you'll see that on the spreadsheet right here. You can copy and paste. I'm going to paste this in, and you can see that we can format this just like working in Microsoft Word. You can highlight a particular phrase and click bold. If you want to see more options, you can also do this toolbar toggle in this editing screen. It will open up some extra editing tools. Just so you know that the product title, when you type it in here, automatically populates into this permalink here. So if we ever needed to change the permalink, here's where you do that. You click edit, you make any kind of corrections here, and click OK, and the changes will be made. Right now, we're not going to publish this particular product. We just want to save it in a draft. So we would click on this button, and it would create a draft form. Okay? So this little corner on the right-hand side, and the screen will blink. That way you know it's refreshed, and you're looking at the current version. This publishing box right here is very important. This lets you know what the status of this particular product post is. It's saved in drafts, so it is not viewable in the catalog to the public yet. It's just for us in the back end on the editing side. More often than not, you'll either be saving it as a draft, or you'll just click publish and make it go live. So if you want to see what this looks like right now, we're stopping and we just don't have anything else in here. You can also click this preview tab, right? So the preview tab is going to open up a whole new window. You see there's the editing tab is open here, and the preview tab is opening up here. And this is what it will look like live to the rest of the world. This is not a true URL because, look, it says preview. So you can't share this. This is just for you to look at. Okay, so here so far, that's our header for our website. All of that's going to follow through and look the same. And then this is the product screen. You can see the aluminum necklace is up here. It's got a little breadcrumb. That's what this is called right here, a breadcrumb, where it shows you went home and then you immediately link to necklace through the shop. So we don't have a picture uploaded, but we do have a title. And remember where I said that description would show up was right here at the bottom. There it is. Okay, so we've got this tab and our preview open, and let's go back to this tab over here. And I tend to toggle back and forth between open tabs. I'll have several open. As you can see, I've got a lot of tabs open right now with other projects, but I'll have a lot of these little turquoise rabbits sitting up here in tabs as I move along, and I go back and forth. It saves me a lot of time. All right, so we've talked about the long description. Let's scroll down a little bit on the left-hand side. There's going to be some SEO information. I'm going to click this drop-down arrow and close that box. We're not dealing with that right now. And the next thing that shows up is product data. Will always be a simple product at this point, so we don't have to change this drop-down. The only information I really want you to put here is the price of this product. So let's say this necklace is $25.99. You don't have to put in the dollar sign, it's already there. You can put this item on sale and schedule it to a future date if you like. That's coming up too in future training. And then there's an on sale button, and you can choose a discount that's also future training. So you notice here we have a whole menu. Now that we have our price here, let's click the inventory button, and that takes you right to the SKU number. This is the only information we're going to put. Now this SKU number right here is going to be on the spreadsheet right here. So it's simply copy and paste. Okay, now we're going to go down to shipping and click on that tab. Here you're going to copy and paste the weight and the dimensions of the product item. We're going to move down to the product short description. Now we have the long description on top, which actually shows up at the bottom of the page under description. So our short description we're going to put in now is going to show up right underneath the title, right here in this section. So going back over to product short description, we're going to create 3 bullet points. There will be anywhere from 3 to 5 bullet points showing up on the spreadsheet, going with every product. These are just at a glance the important things that identify this particular product item. So I'm going to highlight these 3 statements, come up here to my toolbar, and when you hover it says bulleted list. Click that and it will automatically create your bullet points for you. So what I want to do now is go up and check out that preview page. I'm going to click preview again. It's going to automatically reload my preview screen. Scroll down and there it is. Now we have a price along with our 3 bullet points and the ability to order. Since we put the price in, it gives us the ability to put it in a cart and order it. All right, our SKU number shows up right here. Terrific. And here again is our long description. So it looks like we're just about done building this product. Let's go back to our editing screen. We've already talked about this publishing box. Go down on the right hand side here, this right hand column. Go down to product categories. Again, this is going to be on the spreadsheet underneath categories, and you can simply just choose the ones that are on the spreadsheet. Pretty easy, right? It's like copying and pasting. You have to scroll down. We're going to find jewelry. This is alphabetical, and there are categories and subcategories, as you can see. So we're going to choose jewelry, and then we're going to choose aluminum. And you'll see here you have an option to make one or the other of these a primary. I like to keep the main category as the primary as we go through. Aluminum is going to be a subcategory. So just skip on down here. We're going to say this is a necklace also. There's another subcategory down here for necklaces. Whoops. And there it is. And since this is also a pendant, or I'm going to pretend it is, I'm going to click pendant. So now I've got 4 categories that this product is going to show up in. The next thing is a product tag. Product categories are a single word for the most part. Okay, you'll see Native American here. That's just a descriptive place to sort all of our items, our thousands of items we're going to have going forward. The product tags are a little bit different. They can be a long tail or a short tail set of words. That just means a phrase or a single word. A long tail tag is a phrase, and a short tail tag is maybe a single word or 2. So in this case, we're going to say unique. And you see we've got something popping up here as a suggestion. This is already a tag that's been used, and you can just click on this and select it. You don't have to type out the whole word. But I am going to finish up, and I'm going to say NASCAR jewelry. I'm going to type this in if I'm a Google searcher, and guess what? Any one of these terms like NASCAR jewelry or unique NASCAR jewelry, anything like that, will enable Google to find our site and find her product there. I'm going to put North Carolina, and I'm going to go ahead and put turquoise just as a single keyword here because there is a piece of turquoise in this particular jewelry. And look, it's already been used as the tag. You'd separate all of your phrases or single words here. Remember, you've got long tail and short tail options here. Click add, and by separating your tags with commas, you've created whole new tags here. Okay, so we're done adding tags. Let's set a product image. simply click on that hyperlink. It takes you right to a media library. The first window that opens up is this tab right here where it says Upload Files. So we can add new files if we don't already have a picture here. More often than not, there's already going to be a picture here because we're having Ben or myself or perhaps somebody else who is working on the pictures to get them to the proper size and resolution so they look really nice on the website. And it's the necklace that we're going to use happens to be right here already. Okay, so we're going to use the bigger picture as a main image, and see we have a detail right here as a supplementary gallery image. So let's click on that particular image for the main image. It's going to pull up the SKU number as the title, and it's going to have a little bit of information here on alt text. If you ever happen to see a picture, any photos that don't have alt text, I want you to be responsible to copy the SKU number down and send it in an email to me or Tonda, and then we can make sure that we go back and we add this alt text information. This is all metadata or something like a tag that travels with this product. It's all important to build this huge database. So now that we've selected our product and it's got its alt tag, we're going to set the product image, and this is going to show up as the main image. So the next thing is to add other images, and these are the little thumbnail pictures that appear on the product page. So we're going to click Add Product Gallery Images, and we're going right back to our media library. We're going to click on that tab, let it open up, select the right picture, scroll down a little bit, make sure we got some alt text there, and add that picture. Look at that. Now for this part of the training, we're done. But I want to take one more look before I publish. I clicked Preview. I'm going over to my preview page, which is reloading. Look at that. Now we've got, look up here in the breadcrumb trail. We've got home, jewelry, pendants, aluminum necklace. So we added all those categories, subcategory, and now here's the title of the product. See, it's the same here and here. And now your categories are actually showing up down here where we just had a SKU number before. Now we have categories. And all of these are clickable links. All of the tags are also clickable links, and they're showing up now. And someone can share this whole item page on social media. That was there before. But see, we've added new things. And now there's other pictures here as well. There's our little detail picture, and that shows up really nice. And I said this one had turquoise on it. It really doesn't, but we're going to pretend that that little pearl is turquoise, right? Yeah. So this is an example for you to come back to and take a look at and compare to the work that you're doing. And if you're not getting it, something just isn't working right, whatever problem you might be having, just give me a call. We can walk through. I can do a little one-on-one with you. So going forward, you're going to be able to walk through this very quickly and get a lot of products up and use the spreadsheet. It's going to have everything you need. You just look for the basic things that we've discussed here and you'll be in great shape. So this was the end of step 1 for adding a new product. Okay, there'll be a second video that'll talk more about editing the shipping categories and maybe some other information regarding search engine optimization, which is just basically working on our keywords and making it easier for a shopper to find us on Google. So thanks for watching. Come back here as often as you need to, and good luck.